Hello and welcome back to Angular 2 Masterclass with Alejandro Rangel. In this video we will learn about how can we get input or data from the user. Normally in a web the user will click, will use the keyboard, will hover and so on. So we need a way to detect all these events, and this is what this video is about. So, okay, we come back again to our component. We have a selector. This is from the previous videos. And then we come to the interesting part. We have a template, right? Okay, in the template, we define a button, and look how we capture the click event of the user. So with the parentheses, we define the event that we want to get. In this case, it's click. This is a standard, okay, click event. We can have mouse down, mouse over, double click, and so on. And then we need a function handler in our class component that will take care of the logic when the user click, right? It's very important to remember that we put the click with the parentheses and we call the functions. Yeah. So this is what is going to happen when the user click. Angular will call on click me in the component. In this case, it's click me component, and it will execute the code that is inside the function. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's see another example. So in this case, we want to capture a keyboard event, in particular the key up event. So again, we have the parentheses, we have the key up, and we have a function, in this case in our component, that is on key. And okay, this is super important. We are passing a parameter that is box.value. What is that? Where it comes the box? Okay, if we see in the input, we have this sharp box. Okay, this is new. This is a way that Angular 2 is telling, okay, create a variable, a local variable that is pointing to the input. So what is in the box? Basically the same that in the input. It's the input itself. It's a local variable pointing to the input, and then that's why we can do box.value and just get the value from the input. So if we go now to our class and we see the onKey, we are expecting a value, it's a string, and inside the function we have our logic. Yep. So I think I put an emphasis. You will see in this is what it will happen. It will call onKey, it will pass a parameter, and then we will go to the function. Yes. Super important. I put it in red, so you have to remember this. The sharp, it's defining a local variable, in this particular scope, so we can refer inside this template box.value whenever we want. We will do experiments later on with this.